Hey guys, hey listen, everybody knows that I'm a 1911 fan, I'm a 45 fan, and I'm not a real lover of polymer wonders, but after doing a bunch of research and watching all of these torture tests going on with Glocks and stuff like that, I figured maybe it was time for me to come up into the new age and get a Glock. So that's what I did. I went out and I bought a Glock. See? Glock. I got the 21, and I bet you know which caliber that is. Can you guess? I got Wes over here. Wes is all camera shy. It only has the Glock accessory rail. It's not a Picatinny rail. So I'm not sure about what accessories are going to work with this. But so far I've been playing with the trigger a little bit. And once you get past that play, there's that definitive trigger. You know where it starts, and then the nice, crisp, clean break. I think I'm going to like that. So far, it's not too bad. It doesn't feel too bad in the hand. There's a couple of things that concern me with it, though. And I don't know, some of you Glock lovers are going to have to help me with this. And let me know, is this just a break-in thing or what? But when you have a round in the chamber, when you have a round in the chamber and you put in a fully loaded magazine, it's kind of hard to get in there. And then when you go to work the slide, it stops right about there, and you got to really muscle it. I don't know if that's just a break-in thing or if this is something that needs addressed. I'm not sure. I have never fired this. I've had this a week, and I haven't fired it yet. So today's going to be the first. The reason we're in the car right now is because the wind outside is horrid, and I don't think you guys deserve to have all that, when I'm trying to talk to you. So we're going to do the talking part in here. We're going to go out and do the fun stuff. Well, not even fun stuff, really. I mean, we're just going to see how the weapon functions. I don't even think our targets, we brought some 5-gallon bucket lids, just for no reason. That's all we had, really. I was going to bring a phone out here and blow it up, but I think we'll wait for a calmer day. But we're just going to see how it functions today. See if I'm going to like it. I mean, just from playing around with it and, disassembling it and, doing the research that I've done on it, I think I'm going to like it. Right now, this is the first rounds that I've fired out of this gun. It's brand new. It was at the factory. So, the first few rounds through it, see what happens, see if I like it. Alright, here we go. Okay, so that was fun. This thing is awesome. We had one malfunction, and that was because of that issue I was telling you about, how tight it was getting it up there, and all we did is slap, rack, bang, and it did fine. This thing, it handles beautifully. I love the trigger. The recoil is extremely manageable. It feels good, and it performs really well. I had to get used to, you know, aligning the sights because of that. Yeah, I don't want to point it at me. Even though I know it's not loaded, I don't want to point it at me. That rectangular box there took me a little bit to get used to, but once I got used to it, it was okay. So I have one issue that I want to let you guys know about, and I don't know exactly how to overcome it, but when you have a full magazine and you have one in the chamber, this is what happens. I mean, it's a pretty good gouge. I'm pretty sure you can see that line that goes right across the top of it there. I hope you can see it anyway. You've really got to muscle that unless you're firing that first round. Then it's not a problem. But if you don't have a round in the chamber and you try to jack one in the chamber, then you've really got to muscle that thing back. And I don't know if that's an issue I should be worried about. I'm relying upon you guys. This is my first venture into Glock world. You know, I mean, so I'm relying on you guys. You got to tell me what's up with this thing. It was a lot of fun to shoot this thing. I love the 1911s. I love the 45. And venturing off into polymer world, for me, as far as the first experience with the Glock 21, it was a pleasurable experience. And I may start carrying this as my everyday carry. It's comfortable to carry. It's not as heavy as what I thought it would be. And all in all, just yay. You know, I like it. And, well, I'm definitely going to do some more shooting with it, but maybe we'll do some more videos with it. I'm thinking about getting a threaded barrel and doing the suppressor thing. I think that would be fun. Of course, I don't know anything about going to all that specialty stuff, so maybe you guys can help me with that. Give me some ideas. Let me know what's up. Well, hey guys, thanks for watching. Be safe and stay armed. Catch you later. I don't know. Okay, I forgot about one other issue. And that is, when you have expended all of your rounds out of the magazine and the slide locks open, and you insert another magazine into the mag well, and you go, I'm so used to hitting that 1911 thing. I don't know if it's just a thing I need to train myself for, or if it's something that's really common to Glock users, but you have to actually turn the gun to get your thumb on that slide release. You know, I mean, probably about that much, so that you can do that, you know, use that lever. Is that a common thing? I don't know. It's my first venture, remember? But they probably make an extended slide release, and I'll probably end up doing that. But anyway, you guys let me know what your experiences are and all that kind of stuff. Give me some advice on this thing, because I don't know anything about a Glock yet. Well, I know a little bit, about that much. See? So yeah, give me some advice. Let me know what you would do to it. Oh, I actually did see some Crimson Trace things that mount back here. But, yeah, thanks, guys. Later.